So I want to quit my job and do Amazon affiliate, Amazon influencer sales, TikTok sales full time. And in this video, I want to find a phone mount for a cool new TikTok channel brand idea. So what we're going to do is we're going to start the clock and let's see how long we can go, see how long it takes us to find a winning product to either invest in ourselves, right, to do videos for and post to Amazon, or maybe one we can get for free from somebody that's got a creator connections campaign, which is the bonus commission stuff here on Amazon. You can see I've been looking for some dog stuff right here, no big deal. So we're going to do mount anywhere phone holder. This is what we want. We've seen these a lot on TikTok. We've seen them all over the place on Instagram. These devices that will mount anywhere on any surface and hold your phone via a MagSafe ring. So ViralView is the software that we're using that's going to scrape this data. It's going to give us some really honest feedback about items that we could go for. So on page 1, do we have any options? We actually have 4 options. Really cool. So before I show you any of these options, I'm going to show you the funnels, or I'm sorry, the filters that I have. 300 30-day sales or more, $10,000 in revenue or more, at least 1 influencer video, and also less than 9 influencer videos. So if the reason why I want these is because I want a high selling product that has fewer than 9 influencer videos in the top carousel. And so let's take a look at what that means. The top carousel is the video section. The video section on these Amazon listings. Usually there's a video from the manufacturer and then a couple of influencer videos. Related videos for this product is what we're looking for. And the reason why we're looking for at least 1 is because we need to know that this seller, this product, has videos on the carousel, right? And so the idea is somebody watches my video and then they buy a thing and then I get a small commission. I get a small bonus for that, right? If there's 9, then there's at least 1 space left in the top carousel and all of the top carousel, all the videos that are up here. So I want I want 9 or less videos. So I have plenty of opportunity to get on that carousel. Of course, the quality of the video is going to determine that. If there's no competition, the quality of the video doesn't matter. So let's quickly take a look at some of this calculator here. So let's see, this is not a break even buy. 606 days to break even. Yikes. How about this product? 43 days to break even, but it will make me $21 a month. That's pretty good. We have $42.49 per month. Okay. This one I will break even in 29 days. If I purchase this item for, let's see, it's the Acer. Oh, this is not. This is not a phone mount. Dang. Well, okay. This is a winning product nonetheless. This is an Acer monitor mount for your desk. It's got the desk thing. You can see here it's got 9 or less videos and it's got plenty of sales, right? Plenty of sales. So this actually wouldn't be a bad investment. $33 if I needed a mount. This does have a creator connections campaign, so I could message the seller and ask for a free sample if I really wanted to, but that's not bad. That's not a bad buy if I was looking for that thing. $33 investment, and it would earn me $42 a month based on 1% attribution on that video, right? So if you're looking for a mount, that might be the one. How about this guy? Okay, so not this guy. So let's go on to page 2. Let's jump to page 2 and see if we can find something. So we want to have sales history. It's got to have some kind of volume. It can't be a brand new product because you just don't know. Okay, so it looks like these are all the same ones. We might be just out of luck here. We might just completely be out of luck for a product that will actually break even in 30 days or less. That's going to actually fit our needs. And again, we're looking for a phone mount that'll work with my iPhone to start this this brand new TikTok brand that I was thinking about. It's not giving me any new ones, so none of these and additional pages are providing any kind of opportunity for break even, and that's okay. Sometimes it is what it is. So what we could do, and this is we are looking for an investment product here. So what I think we might do is looking at this one, 216 days. Yikes, never mind. How about this one, 43 days? Okay, so in 43 days, I'll break even. There's a good chance that I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. I'm not necessarily looking to buy something that I'm not going to get money back immediately, but it's going to earn me $21.59 a month once I start the video on this product. as long as I'm, one of the top creators in there, there are some, and keep in mind that this is just based on the 1% commission rate. There are products in here that have a much higher commission. So I'm not going to say that I found a winning product, because it's going to take longer than 30 days to get my money back on this. But, in roughly 5 minutes, this one's probably pretty close. And since it does have a Creator Connections commission on top of the regular commission, let's go take a look at this campaign and see how deep into the pockets. Okay, so the campaign budget is $5,000, and there is a budget remaining of $48.87. So I could message this brand and ask for this product. We'll definitely accept this, and we'll send off. What I'm curious about is if this is including, was it this one or this one? I think it was this one right here, right? Yeah, does this include, yeah, it doesn't have the bonus. So if I add in the Creator Connections bonus, while that Creator Connections campaign is active, that's a profit of $237, an estimated profit based, again, on 1% attribution. Okay, this is the percentage of this product's monthly sales credited to your video. For example, 1% means that out of every 100 units sold, one is attributed to your content, my content, right? So I'm not mad at this product. I'm really not. And it does have, it is exactly the style that we're going for. It's that kind that it's got the base that can mount to anything. It's like a suction cup almost kind of base that can mount to anything. We're going to create a really fun TikTok brand with this specific product. And it took me, I'm still talking. I'm talking a lot, right? I'm talking a lot. So did I get a winning product? No, but pretty close. And still, it's a lot of money, a lot of profit per month that I'll be getting pretty quickly. So let me know in the comment section down below, is there a winning product niche that you'd like me to check out for you and find a good buy for the Amazon Influencer Program, or maybe one that you can message yourself? Love to hear it. I would be very interested to hear it. Good luck, guys.